this is the master bedroom. Now here, wall and the furniture are all subtle. So the shade what I've used is beige, pearly beige, and here in the laminate as well, it is a mauve shade and flushed with beige. So just to give the subtle elements, I have used the upholstery, the bed linen, your wall, door, everything is matching to a very subtle solar tone. Now since I have used a mauve shade here, I have tried to use a rose gold handle from the inner side so that it is getting camouflaged, not camouflaged, but it is getting merged with the assembly. Similarly, if you see the bed here and the wall bedding, this is very plain, different sizes of wooden molding what have been embedded on the wall. So it's on this, even on the other side. This molding what you see is actually PVC ready-made molding, but these PVC moldings are paintable, so that is the reason why we have painted the wall as well as the bedding in the same shade. Inside I have purposely kept it black because it is giving a open canvas, and since the room size is a smaller one, it is giving a better and pleasing appeal. So I have maintained just the wall bedding and the plain subtle elements of the wall shade. Since the laminate is mauve and beige, upholstery I have used as light, instead of light mauve I have used a darker tone of mauve. Now moving ahead, the bed is actually the old bed. I haven't made a new bed. This was the old existing bed. The back panel of the bed was in plywood with a different kind of laminate. So since I wanted to give a new twist, I have just played with the headboard. I have tried to use cushion here so that it is giving a new feel for the entire bedroom. Side tables are again two drawers. If you see here, there are two drawers. The handles in the entire bedroom are again made. We have made it in HDHMR sheets, and we have merged it with a different plywood so that it is giving a proper raise for getting a proper grip. So if you see all the handles, I will be taking you to the tour of the room. So as the video advances, you will see different form of handles which is used in the room to match the decor. Now moving ahead, here to my front, this is the bathroom door. So the bedroom entry door, the inner side of the bedroom door and the bathroom door has the same feel. Now moving ahead, here there is a small section. This I have used to stack the old used clothes. Whenever there are some used clothes, rather than hanging it behind any door, I prefer having this kind of arrangement where you can directly hang the used clothes as well as some utility point of view. Now this is the storage which is dedicated for the dressing table. So excess storage or excess cosmetics or anything excess can be definitely stacked in here. I'll be covering the inner detailing video of this. As I was talking about the handles, the smaller handles are with a rounded finish and the bigger one are again the D shape of handles. This is the dressing table. This is the mirror. Behind the mirror also there is a storage. Now this is a puffy, and the puffy goes inside, but there are again two drawers which are there, so which comes to utility. So the dressing table has a wide range of storage. It has an extensive panel with the storage behind the mirror. Profile lights have been given to give a proper light to the face, so that when you get ready or when you get dressed up, there is no glare and your face is completely the dressing feel is very subtle, and it gives a calming and pleasing effect because of this profile lights, rather than having a light from the top. Because when the light is from the top, many a times there is a glare which comes on your eye and it becomes difficult for longer hours. So this was a small tip which I have followed here. Moving ahead, this wall on purpose I have kept it plain so that it gives a good feel for the entire room. Wardrobe is again openable wardrobe. Above the wardrobe there was a beam which we have used the same kind of laminate. It is giving a feel of a loft, but there is no loft here. Inside we have used the space which I will be covering in the detailed video. So I have used fluted laminate, fluted mauve and plain beige. I could have used beige fluted laminate here as well, but I felt that it will be too much of using fluted elements. So I've balanced fluted and plain, and I have reversed the effect in the handles. So these handles are site made. I've made it on site. This is made in HDHMR, which is high density, high moisture resistant plywood. So I've used this for the handles. Moving ahead, here again I have provided one more section of storage, as the requirement of client was to have more of storage element. So this is the storage unit followed with 4 drawers. My client is very much fascinated and she has actually, it is her hobby to it was an emotional sentiment wherein she had a sewing machine which was to be incorporated in the master bedroom because it was gifted by her granny. So we have made a section here wherein there is a sewing machine here, and this door is bifold. So when you operate, you are at comfort, and when you're not operating, this becomes completely flushed. Now the topping element here is a mirror with these 2 shelves. So this is giving a unique view because it is giving you a blend of modern, as well as it is giving you a space wherein you can stack in few artifacts or few things. Moving ahead, curtains, we have gone for marble print, subtle marble tone with a blend of grey, mauve and a little bit of beige. So again, this is the paneling which is done to incorporate the curtain pelmet. I have on purpose had the grooves to give a proper grid to the room. So this kind of paneling is not only on this wall but even on the front wall. If you just see where the AC is positioned, the indoor of AC, even back of that we have the same grooves, so that the room gets the same feel. False ceiling I have kept flat on purpose, and there is just one cove element which I have kept in the design so that you get a proper the feel of the room. The feel of the room is a bit higher one rather than having too much of design, because too much of design in the false ceiling will give a smaller appeal to the room. So I have maintained a very clean and clear flat false ceiling just with an element of a groove to give the ambient feel and positive decor for the room. So as I've explained each and everything, I'll be having one more video wherein I'll be taking you to the inner detailing of all the storage areas so that you understand how we have tried to accommodate the majority of our client requirements. So that's it for the master bedroom. Thank you so much.